Good morning, and welcome to another episode of the Quote for Today. I'm your host, Michelle Frisby, and I'm so glad you're here. We often think clarity comes from being right, from holding our ground, from defending what we already know. Today's quote invites us to consider a quieter shift that opens the door to understanding. Perspective changes when you stop defending what you already believe. This quote points to how tightly we can hold our views, especially when they feel tied to our identity or sense of certainty. Defensiveness narrows our field of vision. It keeps the mind busy protecting conclusions instead of exploring possibilities. When we loosen that grip, perspective widens, curiosity replaces tension. We begin to hear what we previously filtered out. This doesn't mean abandoning values or convictions. It means allowing space for learning, nuance, and growth to enter the conversation. Understanding expands. When we stop arguing with new information, the mind becomes more flexible, more receptive, and in that openness, clarity has room to evolve. As you begin your day, notice where you feel the urge to defend a belief and see if you can meet that moment with curiosity instead. As the day unfolds, listen more than you explain. Allow new viewpoints to pass through without immediate judgment. And this evening, reflect on where openness helped you see something more clearly than certainty would have. Here's a simple tool to carry with you today. When you feel defensive, pause and ask, what might I learn if I didn't need to be right now? And here are two related thoughts to sit with. Curiosity widens understanding, and openness invites clarity until we meet again tomorrow. Let's make it a great day.